This wine, 94 point rated at this price with our direct import model, it's screaming good. The 2019 vintage in Barolo, on par with the 1999, the 2016, super high quality vintages that also sold out in a New York minute. Hey everybody, it's Greg at BigHammerWines.com. Today, the 2019 Scrimaglio Barolo. I told the guys we didn't even need to make a video on this wine because it's going to be sold out in a New York minute. The reality, this wine, 94 point rated at this price with our direct import model, it's screaming good. I mean, Antonio Galloni at Venice Media is already talking about the 2019 vintage in Barolo, on par with the 1999, the 2016, super high quality vintages that also sold out in a New York minute. I think you guys know the price of Barolo and the global demand has made it go like this. We're seeing so much action and demand for Barolo, especially high quality producers like this in the DOCG, that it's making the price go up and up. Barolo, if you think about, is certainly with Brunello the top of the pyramid of wines, of red wines in Italy. And if you think about that in comparison with, say, the top chateau in Bordeaux, the top domains in Burgundy, and you recognize those wines are hundreds of dollars a bottle and more, you realize very quickly quality estate produced Barolo is an incredible value. So this wine under 50 bucks, 94 point rating, I'm telling you it's gonna fly. You're gonna love it now. Definitely bring it home. Give it a 10-15 minute chill in the refrigerator. Let it aerate in the glass. Watch it evolve over an hour or two dinner. You're gonna be coming back for more because this wine's got awesome ageability. I'm talking 10 to 15 years, no problem. But it's already delicious. Take home a 6-pack for yourself and let me know what you think. Cheers.